I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Action Woodpecker. Give here an API key, so please visit the Woodpecker API key. Prospects. Integrations. API keys. Create a key. Copy the API key. And paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Choose campaigns. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now go to the Woodpecker site and go to Prospects. You can see the data came successfully in the Woodpecker site. Thanks for watching.